Professional traders, casinos, and data scientists all rely on one simple calculation when making decisions: expected value. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to calculate it and why it's so important. So, let's start off with the very basic idea. If you play a game where if you win, you get £100, you have a 100% chance of winning, how much money would you expect to make? Well, £100. So that's our expected value. What if there was no chance of winning? Well, then we would expect to make nothing. Now, what very simple operation can work for both of those? Multiplying. 100 times 1 is 100. 100 times 0 is 0. So, we multiply the probability of what is happening by the potential reward or loss. That's our expectation. So, for example, we will toss a coin. Heads or tails? If heads, we win £2. If tails, we lose £2. Both have a 50% chance of happening. So, we list all the possibilities, expected values. So heads, 2 times 0.5 chance. Then add tails, minus £2 as we lose, times 0.5. Add these two together and we get 0. So what does this mean? We can expect that if we were to play this game infinitely many times, we will not change our money. So now let's change it from a not even game. If I win, I get £4. If I get tails, I lose £2. So once again, 4 times 0.5 plus minus 2 times 0.5, which equals out to 1. So every game we can expect £1. Therefore, after 100 games, we can expect to be up about £100, just some adding and multiplying. Now, where does this come applicable in real life? Well, let's think about money. Let's say you have from historical data that if I were to invest in a specific stock, let's say Tesla, there was a 0.6 chance that it would go up 8%. And a 0.4% chance it will go down 4% every week. We, just like before, add and multiply the chances. 8 times 0.6 plus minus 4 times 0.4. This gives us 4.8, take 1.6, which is a 3.2%. Therefore, from investing in Tesla, we can expect to earn 3.2% every week. And yes, I did pull those numbers out of thin air, and yes, the money can go down, and the point is, in the long run, if we had 200 weeks, let's say, we could expect the stock to go up 3.2% every week, even with the odds going down some weeks. And that's expected value, and how you work it out. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to support the channel, and I hope to see you in another video.